Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Pod Up. This is the place where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Emma, and today we are going to talk about your daily routine.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Leo, and I'm excited to practice English today.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe to English Pod Up, like this episode, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue making lessons for everyone.
Yes, thank you for supporting English Pod Up. It really helps learners like me.
Today, we will learn how to talk about your day in English. We will practice morning, afternoon, and evening activities. You will also learn how to describe your feelings during the day.
That sounds very useful. Sometimes I don't know how to explain my daily activities in English.
That's okay, Leo. We will start with the morning. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock, or I brush my teeth.
Okay. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Excellent. Now let's add breakfast. You can say, I eat breakfast at 7. Or, I have cereal and tea for breakfast.
I eat breakfast at 6:30. I have eggs and coffee for breakfast.
Very good. Now let's practice asking questions about the morning. You can ask, what do you do in the morning? Or, when do you wake up?
What do you do in the morning, Emma?
I wake up at 7, brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast. Then I prepare my lessons.
That is very organized. I usually wake up early and eat quickly.
That's fine, Leo. Everyone has a different morning routine. Now let's talk about the afternoon. You can say, in the afternoon, I study English, or I play football.
In the afternoon, I study English. I play football with my friends. I also help my mother at home.
Excellent. Now let's add feelings. You can say, I feel happy in the morning, or I feel tired in the afternoon.
I feel happy in the morning because I drink coffee. I feel tired in the afternoon because I study a lot.
Perfect. Now let's practice a short exercise. I will say a time of the day, and you tell me what you do and how you feel.
Okay, I am ready.
Morning.
In the morning, I wake up, take a shower, eat breakfast, and I feel happy.
Afternoon.
In the afternoon, I study English, play football, and help my mother. I feel busy, but good.
Evening.
In the evening, I watch TV, read a book, and I feel relaxed.
Very good, Leo. Now let's practice questions. You can ask someone, what do you usually do in the afternoon? Or, how do you feel after school?
What do you usually do in the afternoon, Emma?
I usually teach my students, prepare lessons, and I feel productive. How about you, Leo?
I study English, play sports, and sometimes help at home. I feel happy, but sometimes tired.
Perfect. Now let's practice past activities. You can say, yesterday I woke up late. Or, yesterday I studied English for 2 hours.
Yesterday, I woke up at 7. I had breakfast quickly. I studied English for 2 hours. I felt a little tired in the afternoon.
Very good. Now we will practice talking about tomorrow. You can say, tomorrow I will wake up early. Or, tomorrow I will meet my friend.
Tomorrow, I will wake up at 6. I will go to school. I will play football with my friends in the afternoon.
Excellent. Now let's practice using reasons with feelings. You can say, I feel happy because I studied English. Or, I feel tired because I ran a lot.
I feel happy because I learned new words. I feel tired because I played football for 2 hours.
Perfect. Now let's do a full dialogue about a day. I will be Emma and you will be Leo. Hi, Leo. How was your morning?
Hi, Emma. My morning was good. I woke up at 6, took a shower, ate breakfast, and studied English.
That is wonderful. How did you feel?
I felt happy because I understood a new lesson.
Very good. What about the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I played football with my friends. I helped my mother at home. I felt a little tired but happy.
Excellent. And your evening?
In the evening, I watched TV, read an English book, and I felt relaxed and happy.
Perfect. Now, let's practice small exercises for our listeners. Think about your day and describe it in English. You can say, I woke up at 7, I ate breakfast, I studied English, I feel happy.
Yes, you can also say, in the afternoon, I played football, I helped my mother, I felt busy but happy.
Great example. Remember, you can add feelings, times, and activities to make sentences longer. This will help your English become natural.
I will practice every day. I can describe my whole day in English now.
That's wonderful. And to our listeners, please remember to subscribe to English Pod Up, like this episode, and share it with your friends. Practice talking about your day every day.
Yes, stop translating and start thinking in English while talking about your daily routine.
Thank you for listening today. Keep practicing and enjoy learning English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.